for what value of real x and y, x square theta equal to 4xy by x plus y whole square is possible. Now, we can say that cos theta lies between -1 and 1. So, cos square theta must be less equal to 1. And what about sec square theta? Here you see this is -1 and this is +1 on number line, and in this zone cos theta lies and sec theta lies here and here. That is, sec theta either greater than +1 or less than -1. So what about sec square theta? Sec square theta always greater or equal to 1. So we can conclude that sec square theta greater or equal to 1. Now what about 4xy by x plus y whole square? If we apply am greater or equal to gm for the two real numbers x and y, we can write x plus y by 2 greater or equal to root upon xy. Why? Because arithmetic mean always greater or equal to geometric mean. So now we can write x plus y square greater or equal to 4xy. Now x plus y whole square is a positive value, so we can divide both sides by x plus y whole square, and inequation sign does not change. So 1 greater or equal to 4xy by x plus y square. So look, sec square theta greater or equal to 1 and 4xy by x plus y whole square less equal to 1. Here given sec square theta equal to 4xy by x plus y whole square. So only it is possible when sec square theta equal to 1. This inequation and this inequation only possible when both equal to 1. So we can write sec square theta equal to 4xy by x plus y whole square equal to 1. Now 4xy by x plus y whole square equal to 1. So we can write 4xy equal to x plus y whole square. So we can write 4xy equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now we can write x square minus 2xy plus y square equal to 0, and here we can say x minus y whole square equal to 0. So we get x minus y equal to 0. So we get x equal to y. Now the given equation sec square theta equal to 4xy by x plus y whole square, it is possible only when x equal to y.